Today, baby. Let's go. We got a bluebird powder day today. Woo. It's so nice up here. I definitely didn't skip school to come bluebird powder day, but I think if anyone knew it was a bluebird powder day, they would come and skip school. So yeah. Woohoo! Whee! Oh, it's so nice. Oh yeah, I'm skiing. My mom's snowboarding. My hand's cold. I'm just gonna switch hands real quick and get my other glove on. Ooh. What? There's rocks? Never. Oh, do a little jumpy jump. Whoop. Oh yeah, I've got new skis, which is cool. So I'm just getting used to them. First day on the new skis. The view's always amazing from anywhere above Queenstown. Woo! I love powder. I should get that on a shirt. That'd be so funny. Woo! Dude, I totally slowed down in the powder.
You left me.
I know! It totally slowed down. Yeah. Yeah. Huh?
Are you still making videos?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just
Concentrate, yeah?
Yeah, I know, I just record the whole run.
Okay.
Woohoo! Woohoo! And we go down what I like to call Sonic Slope. It sounds really cringy, but I just go really fast down it, and it's just another bit of M1. So yeah, don't know if you can hear me very well, but yeah, got new balaclava. Woo! We need to get that GoPro up, bro. I keep saying like, oh, I gotta get some GoPro videos, blah blah blah, and I never remember to bring GoPro. Since we like recently moved house in the last like month, so everything's still getting unpacked, and the GoPro is somewhere around the house in the garage, I don't know, somewhere. But yeah. I'll try and start making like Minecraft videos or something, because I've started to play Donut SMP on Minecraft Java. So yeah, if you know what that is, I'm just more snow, less Minecraft. That's how we go today. How it always should be. Woo! Oh, it's so lumpy, bro. I don't know if these are moguls or lumps, because moguls are like man-made and lumps are just lumps. Or it's the other way around. There's a little bit mogully up there, so I hope you guys like my POVs of skiing and snowboarding. If you don't, then just, you know, leave. Like, but yeah. Woo! Almost at the bottom of M1. And it's a school day today. You know why it's so convenient that it's like that I'm up here? The only reason I'm up here is because my brother's got ski school today up here, and my mum wants to come up with him, and just if he gets hurt, she'll be there. And yeah, so he was already coming. My brother's already here. There's my mum. But yeah, I think we're gonna do an M1 this time. We just came from Green Gates, as you saw. And yeah. M1 time, baby.